Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Restore You. It is Angela, and it is a beautiful sunny morning, and I am just killing a little bit of time trying to get a few things checked off my list before the puppies. Emmy the cockapoo has to go for her vet appointment along with Izzy the kitty, so I thought I would do something fun and do a little 15-minute challenge. So if you've been watching, you probably saw that I had a really fun haul from Amazon where I got these library cards and adhesive envelopes. And I was thinking, you know, not everybody has a lot of those just hanging around like I do. And when I was pulling pages from books, I actually always pull these out when I can. And I had this one and thought, let's do some handmade ones with these book pages that I've got. So that is what we are going to do. And I have to apologize now because the lighting at this time of day, it's very, very bright in here. So my apologies if this isn't perfect. But here's just a couple of little examples I whipped up in about 3 minutes. So I thought I would show you guys some of the things that I used. Here's a bunch that I've already cut and got ready. And I'm just going to use some of these new distressed library cards that I've got. And I also had some, let's just take this all off, some stickers. These happen to be from a book that I use often. It's called, I think it's by Flo, and it's the book that takes time. I thought these were stickers, and they put all kinds of little fun things in their books, but they're actually not. And it's weird because it's opposite. Like, they're not cut out by each design. It's cut out by the exterior. So I may use some of those because they're pretty cute. And then I don't think we'll stamp today, but I did use this set of Close to My Heart stamps to do some of the examples that I showed you here before. So we're going to go ahead and quickly get started. I have looked at the library card, the original, and it was 3.5. Look at, I got it down here. 3.5 by 4.5. So when you cut your papers, you want it to be at least 9 inches long so that you can fold it. You don't have to. Some of these that I did are short ones, like littles, like that one. But if you want to have it very close to a actual size, you should do that. So in order to do that, I'm going to just cut these pages really quick. And the library cards are 3 by 5. And so this is already way over what I need. So I always start from the bottom. Actually, what I'm going to do is do it this way. Got a little classical, my friend over there is playing a little classical music, and I thought it would be fun to have her set a timer. So we're just going to see if I can do this, how many of these I can make in a very quick amount of time. So she'll be talking to us shortly, I'm sure. All right, so I'm going to go a little bit bigger than 2.5. I'm going to go even bigger. Go big or go home. I kind of like these a little bit larger. This is just, I just took the page right in half. So now you see if I fold this over, that's a little too big. So I always start from the bottom, and I've got 4 pages. This is just out of an old dictionary. And I'm going to make them exactly 9. And throw all of these into my scrap bucket. And I think, excuse me, I think that's the only time we're going to need our paper trimmer. So we'll just go from there. And then all you do is fold it in half where you want it. And I like to have just a little bit of the words on the top showing. Oh, here comes little Izzy. I don't need any help today. She's really angry at me because she wants to go outside in the worst way. And I'm afraid that if she goes out, but I won't be able to find her before her doctor's appointment. So she's frantically looking out the windows and being a menace, but that's all right. All right, I'm going to try to do this. I have no idea if it will work, but no, probably not. It's okay. Some of these are a little bit longer. And I like to round the edges. Some of my papers that I was using don't actually work that well. Izzy. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, you guys. Girlfriend, get down. Come here. I know, it's hard, isn't it? You sit up there in Mama's chair. All right, so this is how easy it is. I've already got 4 ready. And if you want, I'm going to do this for these. I'm going to put a little notch in there. And this is just using my, I don't know if I've posted that video yet, but I was using I have a notch punch. Well, I had one, and I used it with some kind of plastic, and it just annihilated it. So that bad boy is gone. She gone. So now I'm just using my 1-inch punch just to do a circle, which is fine. I mean, you don't have to really worry about that at all. What happened to my brown ink? Well, I have my coffee, so I think I'll take a drink of that. Okay, well, we're going to use some black ink. And then you can do whatever you wish to add some contrast on here. Gosh, that lighting is horrible. And then I also like to just take this right below where the word was. I'll do that for a little extra. Oh, oops.